Hello, everybody, boys and girls, children of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you, talking to you about this 18 inches. Great light. No, it's not the newer that I was going to get. I ended up bumping into this Vivitar from Walmart, only $30. It's so bright. Okay, it's the one that every barber on my barbershop uses, and it's very light. As you can see, it has the phone holder there. All right, and it has two settings. All right, it has the white and the yellow. I like to use both together, and it also has another setting to make it dimmer or brighter. Let me tell you something. This thing is so bright that I cannot use it on the brightest. Now, there's different ways to use it. You can use it like that, the way my man Louis the Barber is doing it, or like this, the way my other guy Ricky the Barber and Mark are using it right on their station, just standing, looking down like that. Everybody got different preference. This is great, bro. It's only $30. Log into Walmart app, get it. Vivitar, great products, great quality. Bring some upgrade to your haircuts and station. Don't forget to hit that bell button and subscribe. Leave a comment if you wish for.